Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So I did another video earlier today, and we're talking about tools. This is just one of our tool walls. As you can see, there's a bunch of stuff missing, so I got to harass my guys about that. But this is a tool wall that's been here in our shop like this for, I don't know, ever. I put it up, I outlined everything and all that years ago. We also got another tool room. So we got, metal shop, wood shop, brakes, lathes, all kinds of fun stuff back here. Brake room, keep doors closed when the AC's on, right? Then we got a tool corral room. So if you ever want to see kind of like some of the stuff we got, I will post some of this different tools. This is basically what we're doing with this video, is we're going to show you different tools that we use in the industry, things that's going on. Again, keep in mind that everybody here has a toolbox. We've got shop toolbox. We've got shop toolboxes floating around everywhere. A lot of nuts and bolts. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cabinets. And I'll be back.